Il était une fois un petit astronome qui voulait regarder les étoiles. Soin, soin.
Hello friends, in this step-by-step tutorial video I'm going to show you how I invert the image of my deep sky drawings to turn them into negatives. In other words, how I go from a white sheet and black pencil to an image with a black background and white stars. To start, I'm going to go online and open the free Photopea application. It's an online clone of Photoshop and rest assured there's no subscription required. Next, I'm going to open one of my drawings that I simply photographed with my smartphone. This is the Great Hercules cluster, as you may have recognized. Now, we're ready to process the image. We need to perform two operations. The first step will be to invert the RGB values of the image, which will create a negative. The second operation will be to carefully adjust the white and black levels in order to give the image more brightness and depth. To do this, I simply click on the Image tab and then choose from the available options the Adjustments option, followed by selecting the Invert tool. As a result, the image immediately transforms into a negative. However, the whites appear somewhat dull and the blacks look rather grayish. So, the second operation will be to adjust the levels. I click again on the Image tab, then Adjustments, and I select the Levels tool. This tool allows you to work with the white and black diagram. So, I drag the white slider to the left to increase their value. But be careful, don't overdo it, because you risk burning or blowing out the image. Then I will drag the black slider to the right to darken the deep sky. So here it's very minimal, as you can see. There you go, my dear friends. That's how I process my astronomical drawings. You have no doubt noticed the presence of the red giant HD 50998. This star is often visible in the same eyepiece field as M13 when you use low magnifications, and it provides a very nice chromatic contrast. In my original drawing, I made it blue, cyan blue. Why did I make it blue? Quite simply because blue, light blue, is the complementary color of orange. So when I switch my drawing to negative mode, the star shines with its beautiful warm color. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing if you want to see a bit more content from me in the future. That's all for today, and see you very soon for another video.